Hey everyone, welcome back. When mobile check deposit fails in RBC app, it is often caused by camera or app issues. Here's how to fix it. Make sure that the RBC app has camera access enabled in your phone settings. Go to settings, then search for camera, and then make sure that you have turned the option on for RBC app as well. Then check that you're using a clear lighting and placing the check on a dark flat surface. Make sure to clean your phone's lenses, camera lenses, so you will get clear photos. Make sure to clean it with a soft tissue or a piece of cloth so you won't scratch your camera lens and make the matters worse. Then enter the check amount correctly and avoid blurry photos. If the deposit fails, log out of the app and log back in before trying again. Next, head over to your app store, search for RBC Mobile app, and confirm that your app is updated to the latest version. Updating your app is very important because it gives you the latest files and all the bug fixes, so make sure to update it. Clear photos and updated apps prevent most deposit errors, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.